guys, welcome back to the Agent's Garage. We're kicking off the year 2024. So what we're gonna do is take a walk to the shop. There's not much work or vehicles we're gonna get out today. You can see there's a bit of cars in there we got for some services, but major repairs getting done today is kind of, you can call it gearbox day today. So we've got 3 gearboxes out. I'm gonna walk you to the shop and show you around. Let's go. Okay, so this is vehicle number 1. It's one of the fleets that we look after. I've pretty much sure you guys would have seen this one. Well, the same type of vehicle we had in here not too long ago where we were struggling to get injectors out. So now we've got another one of these vehicles. It's what they call a Fiat Ducato. And this one we've taken out the gearbox, which has a clutch that's basically failed. So yeah, these are one of the gearbox day cars that we had today. And yeah, gearbox has been removed and waiting on the parts to arrive to replace the clutch. Cool, so we've got car number 2. This is a Hyundai Getz automatic. We've also taken out this gearbox. When I say we've got an apprentice that has started with us now. He's with us for the past 7 months. This is Uzair. Uzair, you can wave there to all the guys out there and the ladies out there. Yeah, so Uzair's taken the gearbox out. He's actually got quite a bit of work. It's not only the gearbox that had to come out. The reason for taking the gearbox out actually is because of oil leak. So the rear main seal is our main failure over here, which has caused the oil leak. And we've taken the sump off. We've now going to replace the oil pickup. You'll actually see if you have a look that the suspension has been stripped as well. So quite a bit of work is getting done in this vehicle. So yeah, we're doing suspension bushes, connecting links, the oil leaks like I mentioned. We're going to freshen up the automatic transmission gearbox oil as well. So yeah, that's basic and about what we're doing. Is quite a bit of work like I said, and Uzair's the one that's looking after this vehicle over here today. Yeah, so here we've got vehicle number 3, another Fiat. This Fiat is called a Fiat Fiorino. Anyway, this one as well, another front wheel drive vehicle. Another gearbox you see on the floor, so vehicle number 3. That one over there. And the reason for this gearbox out as well is also the same as the previous one that I spoke about now. It's also for the oil leak, also a rear main seal. With this, the rear main seal actually contaminated the clutch, so we'll be doing the clutch in this vehicle as well. Also not only a gearbox vehicle, in for quite a bit of work. The vehicle came in with a excessive water leak, so we've replaced the coolant housing on the cylinder head. I don't know if you guys can see over here with me. You can see a new shiny part amongst the rest. Some new clamps on there as well. So that was our first check. We did what we call a block test to make sure that our cylinder head gasket is not blown. So this vehicle went through all the coolant pressure test, the cylinder block test to make sure our engine is okay. So she's all okay. We're now carrying out the rest of the work, which is the rear main seal. And a clutch is going to be replaced, service on the vehicle, and some lights and the rest of things that needs to be done as well. Yeah. Okay guys, another one in the shop today besides all our gearboxes. So like I did say, there is some other mechanical work, some other service work. And we've got Austen over here. I think I did introduce him in one of our videos before. Austen has joined us now for just over a year, and Austen today is doing a turbo replacement. You can see a nice shiny new turbo. So yeah, he's primed up the turbo already, and we're just busy putting on some odds and ends now, some gaskets, and like we call it plumbing. So the boost pipes, the rest of the exhaust systems to go on now still. And yeah, so after he's done over here, I'll show you up there at the back as well what the old turbo was doing and why we actually replaced this turbo itself. But yeah, that's Austen, and that's the turbo that we're doing on this VW Tiguan. So 1.4, what they call a dual charge vehicle, which actually this vehicle is turbocharged, and at the back over here as well we have a supercharger on this vehicle as well. Old design, they made away with this design now, but just some insight on what we have here in front of us today. So this is our old turbo on the Tiguan, and the reason why we've replaced it is that, so hope you guys can see, the impeller itself has got excessive movement on it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it around and show you on the intake side of the turbo. There we go, this is the intake side, and you'll actually see, so first let me show you the movement. And then you'll see if we look further in, can shed some more light on it for you guys. You'll see on the casing at the bottom of the impeller that the impeller has actually been scratching up against the casing itself. Yeah. And that's what causes the vehicle to have a loss of power. Sometimes even it's difficult starting as well because the impeller has difficulty spinning up. And that's that. Like, share, comment, let us know for some extra things, maybe what more you guys want to see, and don't forget to subscribe to our little channels that we have going over here. Thanks again for joining us. I'm Dane, this is Agent's Garage, and again, have a great year of 2024. Peace.